It's looking more and more every day like TikTok's actually going to get banned this time. And you spend a lot of time curating your perfect For You page and following a lot of great content creators. And I know a lot of you want to follow those creators on different platforms, but it's super annoying to have to click through every single profile. So let me show you how to do this in a super simple way. And once you're done, you'll be able to simply click on the link and it will bring up the profile of that content creator that you did. And you can go through every single content creator that you're following to make sure that you have every single person that you want to keep following on Instagram or YouTube as well. You can check Instagram or you can toggle over to YouTube. So if you want to see YouTube, it goes right there. The only requirement is that they have to have the same username on both platforms. So you're going to go into TikTok on a computer, go to your settings, go to data, download your data, and then you can request all data and make sure that the file is in TXT form. So once you click request data, it's going to take a few minutes, but you'll get emailed or notified once it's done. And it will pop up here in download data. All you have to do is download it and then put in the code for security. Once you do that, it will download to your computer as a zip file. All you have to do is unzip it and it will look something like this. So we'll go into activity and then go to following.txt, double click on that, and it will show you every single person that you followed and the date that you followed them. Now we need to copy all of this, but instead of dragging, it's going to take forever, especially if you have a lot of followers. So the trick is to click right in front of date, hold down Command Shift and press down, or if you're on a PC, it'll be Control Shift and press down. And that will go all the way through the end of the text. Now go to my page, you'll see it says beacons.ai, open anyways. You can go to my shop, don't worry, this is free. And then in the catalog, at the very bottom, you'll see one that says TikTok ban. Go ahead and click on that. And then check out. Like I said, don't worry, it's free. You'll get this automatically to your email. It'll be a PDF. That's just the easiest way to disperse this information. So once you do that, you'll get this and simply click on the access link, open in Chrome, and then make a copy. So that way you have a copy for your information only. By default, you'll see my username, and then you'll see a bunch of different blanks and nothing on here really. So you're gonna go to import list. In cell A2, which if you don't know anything about Google Sheets, simply go to A and 2. And you can see it says A2 right here. And then do Control V, and you'll see it looking exactly like this. And it looks a bit messy, but don't worry, I cleaned it up on other sides. So now everything automatically flows through and makes it all nice and neat. Now you have that list of every single person that you currently follow on TikTok. Now if they don't have an Instagram or a YouTube, if you click on it, it will show nothing. Nothing we can really do about that, but if they do, I'll just pick on somebody random. It will bring up their page, and all you have to do is click follow, and now you followed them. Exit out of that, and you can mark it as checked if you want to. You don't have to mark it as checked if you don't want to. That's just a way to keep track of how far you've gotten through the list, and that's about it. Once you're done with one, you can simply go through YouTube, or you can toggle back and forth each time, depending on what you want to do. And once again, you can simply click on the link, and it will go straight to the YouTube, and you can subscribe from there. If you want to add different handles, all you have to do is go to the platform and put the platform name and then the root. And the root of the handle is going to be anything that's before the username. So for example, if I were going to set it up for TikTok, I would simply copy everything before the username, put that right here, put TikTok, which obviously there's no reason to do this. This is more just a demonstration of how to set something up. So now if I go to active links, I can click on TikTok. You can add color if you want. I can simply click right there, and you can see my TikTok page. So you can add different domains that are not there. Biggest thing is it has to have a workable root. If it doesn't have a workable root, then you're not going to be able to do it. But that's how it works. Now the best thing about this is even if TikTok does go away on the 19th, this will still exist in your spreadsheet. So even if you don't get through the entire list by that date, you can keep working your way through it as you have time. And that way you can follow all your different creators. And if you don't want to follow somebody that you currently follow on TikTok, no worries, you don't have to. If you don't know me, my name's Olin, and I create Google Sheets content. So I'm going to create a video on exactly how I built this as well for everybody that is interested. But for those that aren't interested, head to my store, upload your following, and you're good to go.